Dito ka sa kabila. Yan. Kaliwa kasi ako. Ayan. So, ikaw ulit mag-aawak ng mic, no? So, congratulations to Ma'am Mildred from Hong Kong to receive another 50,000 pesos in just 1 week. Ayan. So, ilamin po natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Pwede naman huminga, no? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Natutuyuan ako eh. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Yes!
Ayan. So, Mildred, ito na yung payout mo. So, pang third exit. So, imagine nyo, in 1 week of 75,000 po ang kinita ni Ma'am Mildred from Hong Kong. Ayan. Doing NMC part-time using Facebook. Minsan nag-uusap kami, alas 2 ng madaling araw eh. Totoo yan, na nag-message sa akin. Okay, so, palakpakan po natin. Yan. So,